Arizona is set to receive $542 million in funding over the next 18 years.
The money is part of the national opioid settlement between states, tribal nations, and opioid distributors and manufacturers in the U.S. Cronkite News reporter Adriana Gonzalez-Chavez tells us how Maricopa County is hoping to help opioid victims with this new funding.
Thanks, Aaron and Alex. Opioids affect a lot of people. About 22 people for every 100,000 in Maricopa County die from an overdose. $2 million of the dollars are being distributed to 12 local organizations in Maricopa County.
Only limited funding that prevents us from being able to serve every woman who comes to us.
Erin Moad, the Deputy Director of Live and Learn, explains that more funding to fight opioid addiction will have a direct impact on Arizona families.
Our program model is very lean and intentional, so every dollar that we're given by individual donors, Arizona tax credit donors, goes directly to serving women. It doesn't go to overhead, doesn't go to salaries, it goes directly to the women in our program.
Live and Learn is a nonprofit that helps women who experience domestic violence by assisting them to find housing, work, and health care. Carmen Batista, the division administrator for Maricopa County, says funding was given to local organizations because of their strong connections to the community.
A lot of times making sure that they're hiring people from the community, maybe peers that have lived experience. And so that was a priority for us to fund organizations that already have those connections and can meet people where they are.
While Batista does not think this funding will completely get rid of substance use in Arizona, she says it will definitely help.
We're working really hard to allow different iterations of services and blended services so that people can be supported in their recovery, which could be really fast for some folks, but some folks identify as being in recovery for the rest of their life.
According to Moad, of the 200 women that Live and Learn serves, about 70 of them tend to have some history with substance use. And they applied for the funding to be able to serve the other close to 100 women who apply for the program, but cannot be helped due to lack of resources.
So the more funding we bring in, the more women here in Maricopa County we can serve, and we can help them really transform their lives.
Other local organizations that received funding include Community Bridges, Neighborhood Ministries, Not My Kid, and Terrell's Health. In the newsroom, Adriana Gonzalez-Chavez, Cronkite News.